Hello folks, it's that time again for What's for Supper Wednesday, and today we're going to be fixing a calzone. Alrighty, we just went ahead and picked up some pizza dough there at the grocery store. You'll need cheese, we got some mozzarella and provolone, we'll have some mushrooms, Italian sausage, some of this Hillshire sausage, pepperoni. Here's some of the sauce that we canned up last year. First thing we'll do, we'll brown up the sausage and add the mushrooms and the other sausage to it. Let's get started. Alrighty, get your sausage there, start browning it up. I put just a little bit of olive oil down in the bottom. Now, we'll get this here. Yep, and there goes the other camera. Something just went down the road. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to brown this here up. I'm going to cut the Hillshire sausage up here in a minute. And we'll throw that in there, brown it all up together. This here is going to be a filling meal, folks. Time we add all the sausage and the meat and those mushrooms and the cheese, it'll be a good meal. Here's a pretty little knife Carolyn got. She just informed me it's Pioneer Woman. Thanks a lot there, Sugar.
You're welcome.
You always need to have that, folks. You need to have somebody around with you to correct you when you're wrong. Ain't that right, Sugar?
Sure is.
Now we even got the scanner in there playing too. Alrighty, we'll throw this in here now with the sausage. We'll finish browning up both of them up. We are going to preheat the oven now to 450. Grating us up some cheese here. It was cheaper to buy it in the block. They really didn't have too big a selection of cheese out there this evening, folks. But this was on sale. Alrighty. Putting that in, and then we drained these mushrooms. I'll put them in there. Like I said, folks, this is going to be a filling meal. Throw these away. Alright, just a stir. let's get heated up here. Now we'll go back over and shred some more cheese. Okay, just mix it all up here now. All incorporated. And then we'll let that keep on heating there. Now I'm going to come over here and press the dough out. Hopefully it works out. Get a little bit of flour and throw on there. Alrighty. Now. We just turned the bag inside out. We're trying the olive oil method here. Don't seem to be stretching out too much. Alrighty, we finally got it stretched out here. Now, I'm going to get a cookie sheet with a piece of parchment paper on it, and we'll transfer it over and then put our contents in there, fold it up, and start baking it. Get a little bit of our other cheese. Now part of it, I'm just going to put cheese and sauce, and then that way it'll be keto friendly. I really don't need to be having a whole lot of carbs. Now, get the top put on it here. Oh yeah. Thanks again, Shug. She about let me forget the pepperoni. May have to have her open this bag of pepperoni up. There we go. I think I've already said it. We've preheated the oven to 450. And we'll leave it in there probably about 15 minutes. We'll look and see how the crust is looking there in a minute. Now, do our best to get the top put on it. And then we'll go from there. And then after it cooks just a little bit there, we'll make a little egg wash and put that on the outside. Okay, ain't that pretty? But it's gonna be delicious. Like I said, folks, make it your way. It's yours. Put whatever you want to in there. However you want to do it. We're just giving you some ideas here. Alrighty. I'm just going to do it for 12 minutes right now. Like I said, we'll make a little egg wash. Alrighty, we're just going to throw in some cheese. What's that? That didn't sound good, folks. I don't know what it was.
The pan.
Oh, my assistant told me it's the pan. No, I'm just joking, folks. I know what it was. Just throw you in some cheese here, let it melt. You'll have you a good meal right here itself. Low carb. Alrighty. Gonna take this egg wash, put on it. Like I said, folks, it ain't the prettiest, but it's gonna be good. This here will make it nice and shiny. There you have it, folks. Like I said, it ain't the prettiest thing, but I believe it's gonna be good. And over there is the low carb version. We'll show you what it looks like here in a minute when we cut a piece out. Yummy, look at that there. Look at that cheese pulling apart. Folks, like I said, make this your own. Put whatever you want in there, whatever makes you happy. There ain't no set amounts on the ingredients or anything. Just put what you think you'd like. Folks, I'd like to thank you all for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. And if you would, hit the little bell notification. Share us with your friends. And you all have a blessed day. We'll be seeing you soon.